If you are using your Xiaomi phone and if you would like to use your photo as a wallpaper, how do you do that on your Xiaomi phone? We're going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. If you are on your home page of your Android phone, Xiaomi phone, just get into here, and after going here, you'll be having this settings icon. Just tap it here on settings. Upon tapping, you'll be understanding so much of menu is given here, and go to your display. Tap it on display. Upon tapping, you'll understand so many options are given here, and go to your wallpaper. Tap it on wallpaper. Upon tapping, you will be understanding again so many things are given here, and if you would like to upload something from your photos to your wallpaper, just go and tap on these photos. Upon tapping again, there will be so many options out of your photo. Your photos might be taken through camera, screenshots, WhatsApp, images, picture, whatnot. Everything will come here, and if you want to upload from camera, tap it on camera. And after that, if you would like to just go to your camera app, this is the thing which you can always put as your wallpaper, and that's all. So easy. Just set wallpaper, that's all. Boom, your wallpaper is set, and you are free to use all these photos as your wallpaper. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.